Welcome to this comprehensive video guide on why Alaska is the ideal destination for entrepreneurs to start a business, and a step-by-step tutorial on how to establish an LLC and obtain an Employer Identification Number, EIN, in Alaska. Alaska, the largest and most sparsely populated state in the USA, offers a unique set of advantages for entrepreneurs, including a favorable business environment, access to natural resources, and a supportive community of like-minded individuals. Additionally, we'll explore the detailed process of forming an LLC and obtaining an EIN in Alaska, ensuring you have all the knowledge needed to kickstart your entrepreneurial journey successfully. Let's discuss why Alaska is the best option for entrepreneurs. 1. Thriving business environment. Alaska boasts a thriving business environment with various industries, including tourism, fisheries, oil and gas, technology, and renewable energy. The state's strategic location between North America and Asia opens up international business opportunities and trade possibilities. Entrepreneurial support organizations and incubators foster innovation and provide resources to help businesses grow. 2. Abundance of natural resources. Alaska is rich in natural resources, such as oil, gas, minerals, and fish, offering ample opportunities for businesses in these sectors. Renewable energy potential, including hydro, wind, and solar power, creates possibilities for sustainable business ventures. 3. Tourism and unique market opportunities. The tourism industry thrives in Alaska, attracting millions of visitors each year. Unique market opportunities exist for businesses catering to tourists, such as outdoor activities, hospitality, and adventure services. 4. Supportive government initiatives. Alaska's government actively supports small businesses through grants, loans, and tax incentives. Various programs exist to promote entrepreneurship and economic growth. Now, let's get down to business. How to start an LLC in Alaska. Starting an LLC in Alaska is a straightforward process. An LLC, or limited liability company, offers business owners the advantages of limited liability protection and a flexible management structure. Step 1. Choose a business name. Select a unique and distinguishable name for your LLC. Ensure it complies with Alaska's naming regulations and is available for registration. Step 2. Appoint a registered agent. Designate a registered agent who will receive legal documents and official correspondence on behalf of the LLC. Step 3. File Articles of Organization. Prepare and submit the Articles of Organization with the Alaska Division of Corporations, Business, and Professional Licensing. Pay the necessary filing fee. Step 4. Create an operating agreement. Although not required, it's recommended to draft an operating agreement outlining the internal workings and responsibilities of the LLC's members. Step 5. Obtain licenses and permits. Identify and acquire any specific licenses or permits required for your business activity in Alaska. Step 6. Apply for an EIN. An EIN is necessary for tax and banking purposes. Proceed to the next section for a detailed guide on obtaining an EIN in Alaska. How to obtain an EIN in Alaska? Don't worry, we'll give you a full step-by-step guide on how to apply for an EIN online. What is an EIN? An Employer Identification Number, EIN, is a unique 9-digit identifier assigned by the IRS to businesses for tax purposes. It is required for LLCs with employees, as well as for opening business bank accounts, obtaining business loans, and filing taxes. 1. Eligibility. Any individual or entity with a business located in Alaska can apply for an EIN. 2. Online application. The easiest and quickest way to obtain an EIN is through the IRS online application portal. Go to the IRS website and find the EIN application form, Form SS4. Fill out the required information, including the LLC's legal name, registered agent's name, and business address. 3. Mail or fax application. If you prefer not to apply online, you can complete Form SS4 and mail or fax it to the appropriate IRS address. This process may take longer than the online method. 4. EIN by phone. Alternatively, you can obtain your EIN by calling the IRS Business and Specialty Tax Line. Provide the necessary information to the IRS representative, who will then assign you an EIN. 5. Processing time. In most cases, you will receive your EIN immediately upon successful online application or over the phone. If you apply via mail or fax, it may take several weeks for the IRS to process your request. After obtaining your EIN, it is essential to ensure tax and regulatory compliance for your LLC. Register with the Alaska Department of Finance and Administration for state taxes, such as income tax, sales tax, and employment taxes. Now, let's continue the process. Step 7. Open a bank account. Use your newly acquired EIN to open a business bank account. Keeping personal and business finances separate is crucial for legal and financial protection. Step 8. Obtain business licenses and permits. Depending on the nature of your business, you may need specific licenses and permits to operate legally in Alaska. Check with local and state authorities to identify the required permits for your industry. Step 9. Comply with tax requirements. Register with the Alaska Department of Finance and Administration, DFA, for state taxes. Depending on your business activities, you may need to collect sales tax or other state taxes. Step 10. Annual requirements. Be aware of any annual reporting or renewal requirements for your LLC in Alaska. Failure to comply with these obligations could result in penalties or the loss of your LLC's good standing. If your LLC plans to hire employees, you'll need to register with the Alaska Department of Workforce Services and comply with state labor laws, including workers' compensation insurance. Congratulations! You now possess a comprehensive understanding of why Alaska is the best choice for entrepreneurs and how to establish an LLC and obtain an EIN in Alaska. The state's thriving business environment, abundance of natural resources, unique market opportunities, and supportive government initiatives make it an attractive destination for startups and established businesses alike. With the step-by-step guide on forming an LLC and obtaining an EIN, you are well equipped to embark on your entrepreneurial journey in the last frontier. Remember, starting a business requires dedication, perseverance, and a willingness to adapt to challenges, but with the right strategies and support, success in Alaska is within your reach. Best of luck on your entrepreneurial endeavors. If you are confused or consider these steps to be difficult, you can employ a professional formation service to file your LLC. Northwest Registered Agent is an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even have a service where they will file your LLC for you without you going through any hassle. Watch the rest of the video, where I will show you how to form an LLC in under 1 minute through Northwest Registered Agent. The full review of Northwest Registered Agent is also given in the description down below. Starting an LLC? Let us show you how to do it in a right way. First thing first, the whole point of an LLC is to separate you and your business. That's what protects your finances and privacy. Start by appointing a registered agent. Your LLC official point of contact. Hiring a registered agent is a smart and affordable method to maximize privacy. Next, see if your name is available by checking your state business database. Now you are ready to file state paperwork. The average fee is around $100. Apply for a free EIN from IRS website. Having your tax ID in hand you'll make the rest steps easy. Put your LLC policy in writing with an operating agreement. Make it easy with free template like ours. Remember when we said LLC separates you and your business, that's why your LLC needs its own bank account. Your bank account does not do any good in empty, time for each member to contribute. Be prepared for annual files and fees like state reports and taxes. Check the link in the description below. Start your LLC with Northwest Registered Agent.